Morning, family studies. Welcome to another week of funness. I know it's nothing that any of us signed up for, but as long as we stay safe and healthy, that's the most important thing. This week, we're moving on to pregnancy and teenage parenthood. I could have put teenage parenthood earlier in the term when we had talked about fatherhood and parenting, but I wanted to put it here instead, so we had a little more time to work with it. This is one that some of you might be sad because you were supposed to wear the empathy belly for this class, and we would have been doing it around this time, and others of you are super, super excited. You don't have to mess with it. So we have both those feelings going on. Also, I had just ordered, before all this happened, a labor simulator that I could have hooked up with students' permission to basically zap you so you could feel or have a better idea of what contractions feel like. So once again, some of you might be sad that you don't get to experience that, and others of you are really excited about it. But pregnancy, I think this unit is another one that's really pretty neat. I think the human body is such an amazing thing to go from, the egg, the size of a piece of sand, to within 266 days a baby being born. It's just amazing what the body can do. So you have the notes to look over there. Babysitter.com, I know I make reference to that, and Google Classroom, but it's just a really neat place that shows you everything that's happening month by month in development. It happens so soon. The most crucial, important time in pregnancy happens within the first 2 months. And that's because everything's dividing and deciding what's going to happen. And a lot of people don't even realize they're pregnant at that time, so they may be doing things with their body that aren't healthy or isn't healthy for the baby. So, but that is the most important time in a pregnancy. After that, the fetus is just continuing to grow and develop. Excuse me. Then you're going to get into, once again, the teenage parenthood section, which don't get me wrong by any means. I've been around quite a few teen parents, and some of them are amazing. They are darn good parents. They're better than people in their 30s as a parent. I guess my sadness for them is just that they're losing out on their adolescence, because once it's gone, you never get it back. You go spend the rest of your life then being an adult and having a job and paying bills and all those things. So I think maybe or in the notes, you're going to talk about the different options that teen parents have, whether they're going to get married, whether they're going to be a single parent, whether they're going to put the child up for adoption, or whether they're going to abort the baby. And I'm a big pusher or believer in adoption, just because, once again, with my infertility, I know there's amazing people out there that can't have babies. But once again, I've had some amazing teen parents, and they work hard and they do what's best. I think the hardest thing with kids, no matter if it's when you're a teenager or older, is that they come first. Everything revolves around their safety and their needs, which gets better as you get older, but it is hard at the start. So I've really enjoyed, so we're done with that, but I really enjoyed getting to know some of you the only way I know how. So, for example, a couple weeks ago with the family slideshow, I really enjoyed that. I enjoyed seeing some of your guys put down your boyfriends and what your parents do and your fur babies. So I've enjoyed that. So I appreciate you guys taking the time to do those things. Once again, please don't hesitate to let me know if you have any questions or need anything, because I am here to help you in any way I can. Have a good one.